Sometimes you'll be asked to divide indices. So it'll look like this. 5 to the 5, for example, divided by 5 to the 3. Okay, so this will sometimes be written as 5 to the 5 over 5 to the power of 3. And let's take this form actually. So let's substitute in what these each mean. So 5 to the 5 on the top of a fraction, 5 times by 5 times by 5 times by 5 times by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5 times by 5 times by 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 5 to the power of 3. Okay, and in fractions you can cancel out. So if you have the same number top and bottom, you can cancel them out. So I've crossed out 3 from the top and 3 from the bottom. I can't cancel out any more 5s because I'll need more 5s in the denominator to cancel out more. Okay, so what I'm left with, when you cancel out, each one becomes a 1. Okay, so on the denominator you have divide by 1, on the top 1 times by 1 times by 1 times by 5 times by 5. What you've left over is 5 times by 5, and that's equal to 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so what's happened is you originally had 5 and you've divided by 5 to the power of 3. So what's happened is 5 take away 3, and that gets you that 2. And that's the same thing. Instead of 5, any number. So a to the b divided by a to the c is equal to a to the b take away c. And that's the indice.